here in the studios. Kunal, hi, morning. What's it looking like for us? Disappointing yesterday because we gave up those morning gains, but we're still at 25K.
Yeah, no complaints because I think we've recovered quite well. We've managed to recuperate the entire loss with the first week of August. And I think we are now more or less in sync with how the global markets have shaped up. Sector rotation has played up quite well. So I think there are a lot of positives to take away for the indices. And, we are getting into that zone of the indices where you don't have too much of strength across, a lot many sectors. Even if you look at the last 3-4 days of strong price action days for the index, and we try to map out the sector strength, it's only very select few sectors which have consistently outperformed. For example, the pharma stocks as a basket have performed quite well. You've seen FMCG, IT as a overall strength which have done pretty well for themselves over the last few days of the market recovery. And then on and off, you've seen some participation from the private sector banking names, from the PSU banking stocks, etc. So I think what we are getting into the zone is maybe few fragmented move from few sectors, but a lot of strength from the other sectors which have performed very well from the June-July lows for themselves. So I think that's what the market composition has been. Broadly, the good part about the markets is that we are going into the expiry for the August series and the start of the September series on a zone where the index has come back from a deep pessimistic zone towards a bit of optimistic territory at current levels of 25,000. So that should also positively impact the rollovers going into the September series.
All right, that's the view coming in on the overall markets, but it would be interesting then, Kunal, given that you're talking about us mirroring what's happening across the globe as to what the stock-specific strategy should be.
So, I think yesterday the power stocks made a comeback, PSU power stocks. So, from that pocket, REC Limited is something which I would bet on. The stock bounced off from its 50-day moving average, made a very strong bullish candlestick pattern yesterday, and that too on the back of some higher volume charts. So, I'm expecting the stock to show a follow-through up move over the next 2 days. So, would suggest a buy with 650 as a target. Stop loss could be kept at 600. Bajaj Finserv is something which I've been very bullish on over the last 3 to 4 days. The stock has made a very strong comeback from 1630-40 levels to yesterday, I think 1720 plus mark where it closed yesterday. So, would continue to be bullish on Bajaj Finserv. Short-term targets remain at 1750. Traders could look at a fresh buy with a revised or a trail stop loss at 1690.
Okay, we're going to take a very...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.